Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is gold right now XAUUSD 4-hour time frame which you all are watching. And let me show you the lower lows and lower highs formation. It is stable on the downside after having a news which I was expecting, a very exciting news on the weekend as usual, from going on from the last 3 months, that US and Iran has a peace talk, and this time Israel is not into that negotiation. So what is the new particular aspect for the market scenarios? You just let me know into the comment section box what is your intake on this particular thing. Either you are expecting things on a bullish side or on a bearish side, because right now market is showing some movement. And let me show you, these are the things from where the market is coming downside and made a low of around 4020, which was significantly a strong support zone for the gold prices. Let me just zoom it for all of you, and welcome back to the channel. This is the 4-hour time frame of gold, and we are doing weekly analysis of this. So in the new and in this upcoming week, before we go further, let's see what we have in the next week, the important news is and updates. So let's start with Monday, 15th June. We will have as such ECB Lagarde speech will be there. Then it will be there's no impact, high impact news in the USD. Then after that we have JPY monetary policy, and then BOJ, Bank of Japan monetary policy, and then we have Australian dollar rate, RBI rate statement, rate cut, or maybe press conference as well. So this will be actionable day on Tuesday in the morning of Asian session. And then on Wednesday we have GBP data, that is for CPI. This will be going to be a very important data on around on 17th of June, 11:30 a.m. This will be a very important data. And then on Wednesday, June evening, we have FOMC statement. That will be a very prompt and very strong data, high impact data, which we have on June 17th, that will create a lot of actions into the world market. Also, after that, we have a press conference. Maybe possible that this will be the last press conference of Jerome Powell, and also this is monetary policy of CHF, JPY, CSF, CHF on Thursday. So Thursday will be the most actionable day. On June 18, we have a lot of datas in GBP, in Euro, in London session as well. So you just have to keep your lot sizes small and try to manage your risk according to your risk appetite, because there is no sense to do trade with large number of lots, as the market will show some sort of you can say volatility, not a some sort of level volatility, but high impact datas are in line. And now let's get back to the charts of XAUUSD gold. So this is 4-hour time frame, and after hitting on 25th of May, continuously market is coming down from 4500 around area. This area market is continuously coming down, and you can say almost $500 of movement which we have witnessed across in few 2 weeks. So let me know into the comment section box what is your intake. Are you expecting gold will again goes down, or you are expecting the gold will bounce back from here? Because this is a very strong support zone which I just mentioned around here, that is 4000 around area. And you can see, let me just zoom it for all of you. So through that you will get to know there are some sort of like buying happened across this area, and buyers are stimulating this particular prices, and they are trying to cover these prices. And after a stiff fall, there are some consolidation, and then we have witnessed a reversal. So this 4-hour time frame we have witnessed on June, that some price showing some reversal. So if market will continue based on the proper news that US and Iran is having a proper deal right now. So what will be the next scenario, the upcoming scenario? Let me tell you, if this particular price level band reach breach, then this will be the new support and resistance level. Let me also mention the new support and resistance level. So this will be the resistance area for this particular week, that is 4340, or maybe around this area, 4330 around area. And let me just delete first of all. Okay, so this will be acting as a new resistance area for all the traders, and this will be working as a strong support area, which I just mentioned, that prices are stimulating and showing some strength consolidation around this area. So this will be the new support and resistance level for every one of you. Now let me mention it. If you are coming for the first time on my channel, please follow the links in YouTube description box for free trials and for free channel access. WhatsApp link, Telegram link, everything is available in YouTube description box. And if you're coming for the first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel and share the video if you will find it very interesting and helpful. So this will be working as a strong resistance area. If this particular level breach, that is 4330, if this level breach anyhow because of the news, then we can expect the price will jump around. If this particular level breach, then we can expect the price will reach up to around 4700 or maybe 4800 around area levels. So this will be acting as the second resistance zone for all of you. Now let me show you. Let me just, yes. So this will be, if this particular price breach, then we can expect the price will continue up to 4500 as well from the point it started coming down. But however, right now prices is at 4216 around area. So it is, I'm not telling you that this is impossible for gold to reach up to that area, but maybe it will show some sort of impossibilities, or maybe find it difficult to breach this area if price will continues goes down, or maybe any sort of a trap will be there, or if the deal will cancel, because Iran has already told that we don't want to do any negotiation up to left the uranium enrichment. So let me know into the comment section box what is your intake on this particular topic. As we can see, the prices will fall down from around here, and if prices will reach this level, that is support level of 4090, if that particular level breached, then we can expect a stiff fall into the gold prices, or maybe we can expect a sharp fall into the prices of gold. And from here, let me tell you, the next resistance or maybe a support level around area will be this one, that was happened on 16th of October, which we have witnessed. So let me just remove all this. Okay, so this will be a very good understanding for all of you. Now let me tell you again, if this 4090 level breach somehow and prices are continuously going down, then prices will push down up to 3900 around area. So this will be acted as a strong support for gold prices. Below this, situations will get into trouble and all the buyers will face any sort of a problem. So if you have any positions from the higher side, please let me know into the comment section box that at what particular price you have positions around this area, so I can help you with the proper immediate support level and resistance level. Okay, so now let me mention it again for every one of you, what will be the support, instant support and resistance level. So this will be acted as a resistance level for me, and this will be acted as a support level. So let me just mention it for all of you. Okay, one second. So let me just mention it, let me just tell you that support is at 4090, and is at resistance is at 4336 around area. This will be acted as a strong support and resistance level. This will be resistance and this will be support. Okay, now let me know into the comment section box as well, what is your intake on BTC USD and US oil prices. Okay, so BTC USD is somewhere gaining some confidence by after a SpaceX IPO. However, this will be acted as a very strong support, because we have seen in 2019 as well as in 2022, while the World Cup are going on, Bitcoin is every time falling a short. So the same thing happened this time as well. Before World Cup started of 2026, Bitcoin started coming down. However, after World Cup happened, after the crypto things happen, it will always show a tremendous significant progress and strength on the buy side, and it will going to cross the high. So this thing will be happened this time as well. However, there are so many rumors around the world that Bitcoin maybe fall up to 50,000 as well. But however, for me, this will be acted as a strong support, that is 61,000. If this level breach, then we can expect the prices will goes down around 57,000 area as well, and then things will not be into the hands of buyers. Okay, so this will be acting as, you know, a strong support zone. That is, support of BTC USD is 61,000 around area, and resistance is 63,000. Resistance of BTC USD is 63,800. Let's say that is, yeah, 63,800. So according to that, you can, you know, trade guys, and don't take any risk into the BTC USD or maybe cryptocurrencies, because it is going against the trend and it is news based. Okay, now let's get back to US oil. US oil is interestingly showing some sort of, you know, a downside movement. As if you can see, this is the 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame, and if you will see, any sort of deal happened between US or is Iran, after that the price will continue to fall. I'm not telling you that it will fall 100% surely, but whenever the war situations will be over, then crude oil prices will goes down and market significantly shows some strength and goes on a bullish side. So this will be a good news for all the stock market traders, and for those who wants to sell crude oil, please try to take this particular level as a stop loss, because 91 will be a strong zone. If this price breach or if any news happen because of this, then I'm not sure that it will reach up to 102 as well. So this is 4 hour time frame. According to that, you can trade, and this is just not a buying and selling recommendation, but this is just an analysis to tell you everyone what will going to be happen in the next few weeks. So till then, bye bye guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and do trade safe. Thank you.